Hi everyone. So today we'll see one more report, that is check-in check-out report. So basically the purpose of the check-in check-out report is, so check-in means when a salesperson is going to a customer, he is doing the check-in of the call. And when he's moving out from the customer place, he is doing the checkout. So basically this report makes us understand which customer they have visited, what is the address, what is the latitude and the longitude. Since it is GPS located, we have the GPS on with us. So this report help us to understand what is the check-in time, check-out time, the date, and the address where he has visited. So here you can see the filters itself. The start date and date is there. If you want to want to check the report of any of the employees, so you can mention employee wise, you can get the data. If you want to get it customer wise, so you can mention the name of the customer so that you know that who all have visited to this customer and what is the dates when they have visited. So that all you will get the data. It's been distributor name also. If they have visited to the distributor, maybe not to the customer, but to the distributor also, like the ZSM or the team leaders, they visit the distributor place and not to the customer place for order collection. So maybe they can mention the name of the distributor. Here it is mentioned as the call type. So there are various calls due to which people are going. I'm going to say there are n number of the type of the calls. That is for the POV. The calls are getting closed because someone has collected the POV, or it is suppose telephonic POV, or it is application call which they want to visit for, or there is some leads due to which they are going to a customer, or if it is a telephonic lead. So they can select the call type and you can get the data as per that. There are some more fields which are there, which are not been displayed on the screen here. So any of the report, if you want that where the data is not covered here, so you can select the customer address so that you are able to see the customer address. If you select the city zone, product category, so you'll be able to see the product category, what has been selected by them, or check in, check out latitude and longitude. If you want to understand, you'll be able to get. So this report basically can be customized as per our requirement. So currently, since the data becomes too long to view, we have added this field so that if you have the requirement, you can select this field and then you'll be able to, the data will be displayed. But once example, if you get this data and you select the latitude and check-in and the check-out latitude and longitude, you will be able to see this. In case you want to understand which were the products they went and they spoke about, so the product name can be seen. So as per the requirement, the data can be customized and you can also convert it into Excel so that all these fields can be seen in a one glance. So here I have already downloaded one of the report where all the fields which are mentioned, the headers are already seen here. So accordingly, as per our requirement, we can put a filter here and view the data. So any of this data basically can be used by the management or the managers to understand like which are the calls they have visited, whether what were the timings they have visited. Just to understand the check-in, check-out, if there are any queries related to the calls or the POB done by them, this report can be useful. So that's it. Thank you.